Kumbhak is my life. Kumbhak is my partner. Kumbhak is the only way to stop medicine. Kumbhak is the process give new life. Kumbhak is the process to increase energy level.
I am 48th batch Kumbhak, and from last 1.5 years I am practicing it. I have stopped all medicines from last 1.5 years, and I am enjoying the Kumbhak. I was in USA for last 7 months, even though timings there were changed from India, but still I practicing and doing daily Kumbhak. And that is the, you can say, life for me. It changes, it has changed entire life of last 36 years, for which I was having pain in due to diabetes. And now I have, I even don't think of diabetes.
In 2 lines, a song. I'll just गुनगुना देता हूँ, बेसुरा हूँ, सुन लीजिए। तुम आ गए हो, नूर आ गया है, नहीं तो चरागों से लौ जा रही थी, जीने की तुमसे वजह मिल गई है, बड़ी बेवजह जिंदगी जा रही थी, तुम आ गए।
See, Kumbhak, I've been doing for the last 3 years and I'm still continuing. It's a big change and challenge in my life. It is also a motivation and part of my routine, which I don't miss at all at any time of the day. I will continue and I'm cheerful to do this. Thank you.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. Kumbhak for me is something which has improved all aspects of my life. So for me, it's a boon, it's a gift. Thank you.
Kumbhak has become a part of my life. I cannot, it's now 6 months since I'm doing Kumbhak, and I think I cannot imagine not doing it. It has given me more confidence, and I've stopped worrying about my diabetes. It's given me a lot of energy.
Medicine, medicine, medicine. Then came Swamiji in my life, taught me new methods to get rid of medicine by doing Kumbhak. A bit difficult in the beginning, but now relaxing and to get rid of medicine. Thanks Swamiji and all the team members who helped us to do it in the proper way. And now I recommend Kumbhak to many people. Hope many have joined it also. They are also benefited by it. So we'll never leave Kumbhak. It's a part of our life now.
I don't know how to start. It's like I'm a newly wed to the Kumbhak. It's my partner now. So it takes time to understand your partner in the beginning. Once you understood, you don't want to leave him. Okay. So it is kind of a, newly wed to Kumbhak and very happy with my partner. Don't want to leave anything now. That's it I can say. Very happy, very happy. Given a life, given a zest, given the happiness. So thank you so much.
5 to 6 months, and I'm finding it very helpful and energetic. Actually, I'm feeling, I would rather put it like this, like Kumbhak happens to be the source of energy and inspirations of the life. And it is giving me immense strength to conquer the new set of challenges that life throws at me. That is getting sufficient strength to go ahead. That is what actually I was expecting at this moment of time, because I'm going through a little bit of down period of my life. Thanks to the entire Astika team and providing me this strength that my life has regained. Thank you.
Yeah, first of all, I'm very much thankful to Kumbhak from the core of my heart because as we know that first we make our habits, then habits makes us. So Kumbhak is such a thing which develop that habits, that inculcate that habit, and a thing that which we feel that like challenges or anything that can do attitude, which is more important in life that we can do. That Kumbhak gives a source of inspiration that we can do anything in life, and that becomes helpful in our professional as well as personal life. And the importance of consistency or important of patience, perseverance, everything which needs to develop at this stage. So Kumbhak gives a lot of things, and still I think that this is the thing, this is the path. If we proceed in our life, at least we can make challenges to anything in our life that comes across in our life. Thank you very much.
To thank Astika Kumbhak for changing my life. I have been suffering from this diabetic since 24 years. And after doing Kumbhak, I have been benefited a lot, right, from the digestion and energy, strength, and this personal and professional field also. So now the medicine is not the medicine for me, but the Kumbhak is medicine for me. Once again, I would like to thank Astika Kumbhak and all the team of Astika Kumbhak.
हम लोगों का जो शरीर है वही हमारा सबसे बड़ा वही लाइफ पार्टनर है इनफैक्ट, और उसको ये सेव करने का, उसको लाइफ देने का ये प्रयास कर रहा है कुंभक, और सफल भी हो रहा है। तो मैं समझता हूं कि ये हम लोगों का सबसे बड़ा लाइफ पार्टनर है और हम लोगों को इसे बरकरार रखनी चाहिए अपने जीवन में। मैं करीब 4-5 महीने से कर रहा हूँ और कुछ कुछ लाभ तो महसूस हो रही है। शुगर की दवा भी थोड़ी कम हुई, शुगर की दवा तो मोर और लेस हम नहीं ले रहे हैं, और बीपी की दवा भी थोड़ी कम हुई है। एक दवा सुबह जो लेते थे और एक शाम लेते थे, तो सुबह वाली दवा बंद हो गई है। तो ऑल अराउंड ये है, एनर्जेटिक तो आदमी पहले भी था और अभी और ज्यादा फील करता है, कहीं कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। सांस रोकने की कैपेसिटी बढ़ी है, जो पहले 30-40 सेकंड थी वो अभी 1 मिनट से क्रॉस कर गई है।
कुंभक से पहले डॉक्टर लोग बहुत डराते थे कि ये बीमारी है, ये बीमारी है। अभी कुंभक के बाद सबसे पता चला कि ये सब डॉक्टर सब डराते हैं, और अभी हमने जो सीखा कुंभक से, मैं सबको बताता हूँ, उन लोग बताता हूँ कि डॉक्टर से डरने की जरूरत नहीं है और दवाओं का पे भरोसा मत करो, अपनी लाइफस्टाइल पे भरोसा करो। जो कुंभक ने लाइफस्टाइल बताई है, कैसे खाना है, कैसे खाना खाने का क्या सिस्टम होना चाहिए, ये पूरा, और इवन कल आयुर्वेद का जो क्लास हुआ था उसमें बहुत अच्छी बातें पता चली। तो वो सब अगर हम करेंगे, लाइफस्टाइल को हम लोग फॉलो करेंगे, तो हम श्योर कि इसकी वजह से हम लोग और आगे जा पाएंगे। डरने की जरूरत नहीं है, जीवन खुल के जीना है। यही मैंने कुंभक से सीखा है और यही मैं सबको बताता हूँ। थैंक यू।